A proud privilege to be part of the inaugural ceremony of Pallavi International School, Gandipet. Today mark the coming of age of children to don badges of honor, badges of responsibility. बच्चों ने इतना बढ़ चढ़ के चढ़कर अपना उम्दा एक मिसाल कायम किया और उसका इस मिसाल को इन्होंने सबके आगे पेश किया। बच्चों ने शुगर बोर्ड, डायबिटीज़ और अलग-अलग जातीय विषयों पर बात किया और उसको सबके आगे समक्ष में रखा है। Very vibrant children, children who are committed for the upkeep of the school, upkeep of the society, upkeep of the nation. I always felt that whenever I've come to Pallavi Model Schools or group of institutions, I always felt these are the schools which have great deal of dedication, great deal of devotion, which is instilled in the children. And children have always been the bedrock of the schools, and they've always ensured that the name of the school is always held in high esteem. I wish the entire family of Pallavi International School the best wishes for the coming years. And I'm sure the school is going to be reaching one further of other in the cap. I wish them all the best.
Hello, I'm Vinisha. I'm a clinical dietitian. So I'm here today at Pallavi International School to talk about the initiative taken by central government to educate students regarding the adverse effects of the sugar. సో షుగర్ గురించి అవేర్నెస్ తీసుకురావడానికి సెంట్రల్ గవర్నమెంట్ పెట్టిన షుగర్ బోర్డ్ అనే ప్రోగ్రామ్ని ఈరోజు పల్లవి ఇంటర్నేషనల్ స్కూల్ వాళ్ళు లాంచ్ చేశారు అండ్ ఐఎమ్ హియర్ యాజ్ అ చీఫ్ గెస్ట్. సో అడ్వర్స్ ఎఫర్ట్స్ ఏముంటాయి షుగర్ ఇట్స్ అన్ ఎర్లీ స్టేజ్ ఆఫ్ డయాబెటీస్. ఇంతకుముందు 30 years 40 yearsకి డయాబెటీస్ వస్తే వేర్ సీయింగ్ ఇన్సులిన్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ కానివ్వండి, ప్రీ డయాబెటీస్ ఇప్పుడు యంగర్ పాపులేషన్లో ఎక్కువగా పెరుగుతుంది. ఈ అవేర్నెస్ తీసుకురావడం వల్ల దే విల్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ద లిమిటేషన్స్, అంటే షుగర్ ఎంత మోతాదులో తీసుకోవాలి, ఈజ్ దేర్ ఎనీ ఆల్టర్నేటివ్స్ ఫర్ ది షుగర్, లేకపోతే డైలీ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ని మించి తీసుకుంటే ఎలాంటి అడ్వర్స్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ వస్తాయన్నది పల్లవి ఇంటర్నేషనల్ స్కూల్ హ్యాస్ అరేంజ్డ్ దిస్ awareness campaign very efficiently. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Pranavi from grade 10D. Today we are going to see how excess intake of sugar affects our heart. As we all know, sugar may taste sweet, but its effects on our heart is silently very harmful. Through this simple experiment, we are going to aim to reveal how excess intake of sugar internally damages our heart. Now we are adding sodium hydroxide. Now we are adding sodium hydroxide as a base.
And then we add red litmus,
as an indicator.
and as you can see the red color turned into blue, and this indicates that our heart is getting damaged. I am Ananya and now let's understand how harmful can sugar be to our heart. Sugar causes our body to retain fluids, resulting in which pushes our blood pressure to unhealthy levels. High sugar levels constantly irritate our blood vessels, resulting in low-grade inflammation that weakens the protective lining of our heart. Sugar encourages fat to be deposited along our artery walls that slowly makes your heart go weak and will cause a heart stroke. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Shrita and I'm from grade 10B. And today I'm going to talk about how excessive sugar affects our liver. So this is the experiment. This is starch. This is iodine. So iodine basically is red orange in color. When it gets mixed with sugar or starch, it turns into black. If it turns into black, it shows that there is presence of sugar. If it does not turn into black, that means that there is no sugar content in it. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Today we are doing an experiment and explanation of excess use of sugar leads to brain damage. We did an experiment here how brain will be damaged. This is not the correct process, but we are showing how brain will be damaged. This is phenolphthalein and sodium hydroxide. By mixing this both, color is changed. Same like brain will be damaged. By taking more sugar, a hormone will be released, dopamine will be released in the brain, and the it brain same like drugs, addictive. You will addictive to this sugar, and it will lead to anxiety, depression, and your mood swings will be changed. Like this, consuming more sugar, brain will be damaged so much.
Chronic
Thank you.
sugar consumption can increase the risk of depression and anxiety. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today at Pallavi International School, Gandipet, we had a wonderful program of investiture ceremony for the new batch, academic year 25-26. And we had some esteemed guests grace this occasion, Colonel Srinivas Vardhan and an esteemed dietitian, Ms. Vinisha. The entire program was about how a leader should take up responsibility and not only wear the badges just for the sake of it, but do some good to the community, not only the school, but also as a whole. We also had the inauguration of the storyboard, which is an initiative by our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi. This is an initiative which has been taken up by all our group schools, DPS and Pallavi group of schools, where we are advocating the effects of consuming sugar. And in this fast life, I think that has become so easy for a child to just order and eat. Having said that, I would like to congratulate on this occasion my entire student body council for wearing their badges. And I would also like to thank my chairman, Shri Malka Kumaraya Garu, our CEO, Malka Yashasvi Garu, and our joint secretary, VIF Education Society, Mr. Zohair, for their continued support and trust in this school, for believing in us, and also bestowing that responsibility to create good citizens for this country. Thank you so much.